Assalamualaikum viewers. In today's video, I'm going to make a beautiful lake view beside bridge using poster colors. This is a very simple and scenic view. Here you can see the overview of my painting. You have to use 10 by 10 canvas for the painting. First, I'm going to sketch the view using a sketch pencil. Now for the sky view, I'm going to use blue and white color. You have to blend these two colors in one motion smoothly. Now I'm going to make the bridge. For it, you have to make a mixture of black and white color. And you have to apply it on the canvas. You have to cover all the bridge area using black color. You have to apply white color in the mountains to have a nice texture. Now I'm going to paint mountains. For it, you have to use dark blue color. You have to be very careful while painting the mountains. You have to apply white color in it to have a nice texture. Now you have to use poster blue color to make the lake. You have to color the side area using brown color. Then you have to apply shade of black color in it. Now you have to make waves in the water using white color. Using a bunch brush, you have to make a little cross. You have to fill the remaining area using light green color. My today's painting is completed. If you loved it, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.